Door cat. There's no one here, so this hotel's not busy today so far. I could change in a minute. Okay, let's go down. Is that the Westin?
Yeah, this is the Westin.
Maybe on this side first. Okay, let me switch. Okay. Those are really nice. The doors look like that on this side too.
Mm-hmm.
Let's get off at 10.
Okay.
You know what these were originally?
These might have been Dover according to the Brailles.
I think these are Dover too. That's a vibe I get from these.
Because I remember filming these back in 2016.
I see. Oh, wow, you can see to the airfield.